In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your password on your Epic Games account. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So first of all, to edit your password on your Epic Games account, obviously you'll need to head over to epicgames.com and log in. Once you have logged in, this is the page you'll be on, and this is the home page for Epic Games. From here, what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner to your username, which is right here, and then you will need to select account. Once you select account, you'll be brought over to this page, and as you can see, we are on general settings here, and the one we need now is, if you come over to the left hand side bar, you will see a lot of options, and if you scroll down to around the middle, there is an option for password and security. If you click on password and security, as you can see, you can enter in your current password. If you enter in your current password here, you will then get an option to enter in a new password, and the requirements for your password is obviously on the right hand side here, so you can't use the same password you have used the last 5 times. Your password must have 7+ characters, your password must have at least 1 number, and your password must contain no spaces. So once you enter in that information, you can click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, your password will then be changed. So that's how you can go ahead and change your password on your Epic Games account.